I'm on the ship, you know. I'm say, man, I make money on the ship, you know. A cigarette for $200, a beer $600, food $7,000. So I say, how I make money off of this people here? So I tell man I pass a banana now, so I take off a banana and eat it. And that's it. So I shit now, so I drink some water, I still want shit some water. I take a bag and put it and shit in the bag. When I look at water shit, I tie up the bag and shake it. I say, why am I pass it? I say, oh, where you going there? Right away, I say, hot salad. Him say, what? I say, hot salad. Make you speak the truth. It make you remember God and give long remembrance. Man say, but I will have 3 cups. I say, 3 cups? Oh, you want with a 3 cup? 1 cup will do. Him say, no man, it's your ingredients. I want 3 cups. Him say, I want the 3 cups. I say, $80,000. Him say, for 3? I say, yeah. I say, give me money, man. The first cup I give him, I throw it out in him cup. He goes and taste it. My God! I say, till the set never give remember God. See me now? This tastes like shit. I say, tell the set make you speak the truth. See me? As long as I live, I will never drink another cup like this. I'm not till I said get long remembrance.
Where's the drinks, Dave? Hot salad.
Hot salad.
Hot what?
Hot salad.
Salad.